Good morning BNI. My name is Sumit Agarwal, representing my brand Vastu Kitchen. We make modular kitchens and let me take you through to the world of modular kitchen. To start with, I will show you the basic range. This kitchen has no handles and is made up of laminates and profiles. इस kitchen में अगर आप देखोगे तो हमने baskets use करी हुई हैं. There are wire baskets in this kitchen and profile glasses and solid handles. So ये हमारा एक entry level kitchen है. इसके बाद the next variety of kitchen that we have is this kitchen. Usually we have very small space nowadays, but we need lot of space for storage. So what do? We have used such pantry units so that entire kitchen grocery can be stored here. And for appliances also we can make a dedicated space where you can keep your appliances so that your countertop, even if it is this small countertop, it's free for all your purposes. Also, you can have a roller shutter where you can store a lot of groceries, be it anything. The next kind of kitchen is of PU paint. This kitchen, the whole look of the kitchen is made using ICA PU polish provided by Mr. Manish Thanal. And in this kitchen, we have given it a look of a continental kitchen using these French windows, lift ups, using easy pull downs. And also even in this kitchen, you would see that we have a dedicated space for appliances so that your counter space is all free and you can have more and more utility out of a limited space. In this kind of kitchen, the shades are unlimited. We can use any kind of color that you want from the shade of ICA. And I'll now take you to the next kitchen that we have, which is this kitchen. अब इस किचन में हमने बहुत ज़्यादा sophistication यूज किया हुआ है. इस किचन में आप देखोगे तो we have used a concept of island, जहाँ पे कुकिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट हमने आइलैंड में दिया है. आजकल ये बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में है because kitchen is not only utility but it has also become a status symbol where people want to flaunt their kitchen. सारे kitchen open kitchen होने लग गए हैं. So we can have an island where we can make a cooking space in the island. We can have a washing area separately. And the entire storage area can be kept in one side. I'll just take you through with some of tall units that we have. We have a VSA tall unit where anything can be arranged properly. Then we have a system which is called a space tower where there are set of drawers that can be used to keep grocery. Now, the beauty of this unit is that even in the lowest shelf, if you want to keep something, you can just take it out, put it back without even removing the materials in front or keeping it behind. Another very interesting tall unit is chef's pantry. In this unit, as you can see, that the amount of space and arrangement that we can do is tremendous. We have 6 units here, we have 6 slots here. And then we have 12 slots to arrange groceries or kitchen items here and 12 slots here. So all in all 36 slots to arrange all kind of groceries that we have in kitchen. The next thing that I would want to show you in this kitchen is servo drive. Now this kitchen is made in a way to give you the maximum amount of sophistication and modernization. In this, as you can see, we can just open and close it with a gentle touch and a gentle push, and the same thing we have in all our drawers. These drawers are with automatic lights and automatic sensors to open it and close it. This is a comprehensive kitchen where we have taken care of all kind of things. There are cooking appliances, there are baking appliances, and one of the most commonly used appliances now in kitchen is a dishwasher. So we have made kitchen in a way that your dishwasher is kept inside the kitchen where it is not even visible but it is useful. So when you see this kitchen, you don't see that there is an appliance, but we have made a space in this kitchen where these appliances can be kept. Another very interesting thing is this roller shutter. These are acrylic roller shutter from Hafele that can be used. And this entire kitchen, the look is of ceramic kitchen. Now I will take you to one of the most interesting kitchen and popular kitchen in Siliguri. This is one of the most popular kind of look that is fascinated in Siliguri. People like this look a lot. Now if you see, this is entirely glass and acrylic look. I'll just show you closely the kind of finishes that we have. This is actual glass and this is actual acrylic that is used to make this kitchen. The whole kitchen is handleless and there is no cumbersome in this kitchen. This is absolutely clean kitchen. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे तो एक बहुत बड़ा यूनिट है वॉल का, बट हमने इसको बहुत छोटे छोटे हिस्सों में डिवाइड नहीं किया है. हमने इसको बहुत बड़े बड़े 2 यूनिट में बनाया है, सो दैट जब भी आप इसको यूज करोगे आपको एक ये खोलना है और आप पूरी चीजों को ले सकते हो. आप देख सकते हो कितना सामान इस पे आप रख सकते हो. प्लस इस तरह के जो हम सिस्टम बनाते हैं ऊपर के कैबिनेट्स के लिए, तो ये आप जब भी खोलते हो जहां आप इसको छोड़ोगे ये वहां रुक जाएगा. एंड अगर आपका सिंक यहाँ पे है तो आप यहीं पे बर्तन डिशेस वॉश कर रहे हो, यहीं पे लगा रहे हो, पर ये आपको ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट नहीं करता. सेम सिस्टम कैन बी यूज्ड beside chimney, so that when you are taking your things like sugar, tea and etc., it can be taken and kept without being disturbed. One of the most important thing of kitchen is also appliances. Chimney and chula kitchen ke liye is something like heart and soul for our body, and we have all different range of chimney and gas stoves and hobs that we can use in our kitchen. So all in all, Vastu Kitchen provides you for the best solution for your kitchen in North Bengal. Thank you.